I'm Anne Marie Green, and I'm the President and CEO of the Council of Community Services. The Council of Community Services is an over 60-year-old nonprofit. It was founded because there was concern that there were a lot of issues going on here in the Valley, a lot of problems, and there was no organization that was bringing together stakeholders to address those problems. The ESG funds that we get from the City of Roanoke are spent in 3 different ways by the Council of Community Services. The first way is homelessness prevention, and that's where we help people who are facing eviction. They've actually got eviction notices, and we're able to, with the money that we get, take care of whatever the problem is. It could be utility deposits, it could be other things that are rent or things like that. The second thing is homelessness, rapid rehousing for people that are literally homeless. That program targets domestic violence and family with children, because those are people that really need to get back into some kind of housing. The third program is the Homeless Management Information System. We manage that for the entire Roanoke Valley. It's a requirement of HUD in order to get funding that a community has an HMIS. The homeless service providers enter information into it about the people that are homeless, and it provides a wealth of information, of data, things like why people are homeless, how long they've been homeless, where they were when they became homeless, what other services they might need. It really is a major component of how we provide service to the homeless people in the Roanoke Valley. The homelessness issue is a large issue across the United States. It is an issue here in the Roanoke Valley. It is incredibly important for people, for their futures, for their health, for their mental health, that they be housed. It is the single biggest criteria in the social determinants of health, of keeping somebody happy, alive, productive, part of the community. Being housed is the most important thing. The City of Roanoke is very important to our organization, and it's incredibly important to homeless services in the Roanoke Valley. The city provides central intake, which is how homeless people enter the system and get connected with the services they need. The city has been a great partner to us. They continue to give us funding. During COVID, they gave us ARPA funds. They've just been really important to making sure that our programs flow smoothly.